Today I'm going to show you how to get a CarX Highway Racing modded version, no jailbreak or computer needed, which gives you unlimited money. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how. It's pretty crazy, but yeah, this is updated and everything like that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yes, it's super cool, guys. And if you're poor, keep watching the video. I'll show you guys how to do this modded version onto your device. So let's go. Guys, so as you can see, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version of the CarX Highway Racing. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this site called ZooMods, which has tons of mods for apps and games. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and type in CarX Highway Racing. So let me just do that right here. So as you can see, it says CarX Highway Racing Mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try us out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane. As you can see, guys, if I go to the search bar and type in CarX Highway Racing, it's super expensive, as you can see. So I failed miserably, but let me just try again. Just do CarX Highway. And as you can see, there it is. And here's the in-app purchases thing. So yeah, if you want to get it for free, guys, just go to ZooMods. You're going to be all good. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. This is a super cool website, guys, and it actually works. So try it out right now, guys. Get the word out. It actually is updated and everything like that. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. It fully works. So yeah, I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys then. But yeah, super cool, guys. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself, just so more people know about the method, because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, just so more people know. This is super crazy, guys. So yeah, just go to ZooMods. You're going to be all set. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, guys. So yeah, it's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel, get the word out, and enjoy the mod. Peace out.